This is the PowerSchool ERP app you can get from the App Store. To search for your district, just start typing the name and select your state and hit search. Your district should appear, and you select your district and put in your email address and your password that was set up for you by your EAC administrator at your district or charter. Alright, you should be prompted to change your password, as it just gives you an initial one, and this is the process in which you do so. And once your password, new password and your confirmed new password are input, you can click the floppy disk, the save icon in the top right, and select OK, and now your password's been changed. So these are your options to submit a leave request: notifications, emails, information, payroll, such as history of your pay stubs, W-2s, and just your profile information, what address you have on file. That can all be viewed, and some of it edited here depending on what your district set. Well, we're going to go over how to submit a leave request. So select that. The leave type options that will be in the drop down are particular to your employee calendar, so there eliminates some confusion there. You can input 0.5 or half day or 0.25, whatever the policy is at your school, and you can put in some notes there, whatever you feel like you want to disclose to the attendance manager. So that leave request goes in, hit save at the top, and it's been successfully submitted. Once you've submitted your leave, you'll see that it shows up in pending leave. And pending leave means it has not been posted, the pay period has not been completed, but yet you can see, and it'll tally that up so you know truthfully how many days you have available on your balance. You've had that leave approved, it's went through the workflow, and you want to look at that submission, and it tells you it's there, but you're like, that doctor's appointment got canceled, so I want to delete it. In the top right hand corner is a trash can. You can click that. Now this is a little confusing. You do want to click cancel rather than OK, because you're canceling the request, but it's the red button. That would actually delete it from your pending leave. So we're going to navigate back, and you can see pending leave section, a little gray bar, is no longer there because you just deleted your pending leave. So that's just kind of how you review your leave bank, and if you wanted to delete a request. This tutorial has been brought to you by the Arkansas Public School Resource Center. Have a great day.